Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm super excited to have you here. First of all, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe and leave a comment. It doesn't matter if it's a feature request, a bug you found or just to say hi. Every little bit of engagement helps me grow this channel. Your support is crucial as I'm aiming for 1000 subscribers so I can start monetizing and put even more effort into creating awesome content for you all. I've been working tirelessly for the past few days, putting in 48 hours in just 3 days to bring you version 1.0 of this amazing new mod with an overlay. I'm really tired, so I apologize in advance for any errors in the video or bug in the code. But your support and feedback is what keeps me going. If we can reach the 1000 subscriber milestone, I'll be able to put more time into this project and deliver even more cool features and updates. So let's dive into the features. I freestyle the rest, showing you all the cool stuff this mod can do. Remember, your likes and comments and subscriptions not only help me grow, but also ensure that I can spend more time making this project the best it can be. Thanks for your support and let's get started. We will first start by going into my GitHub repository. It's called JavaScript inside the PokéRogueMOD organization. To load my mod, just open the inject.js and copy this code with this button. When you are mobile, you need to press the 3 dots and press the copy. I will show you later. Now we're in the game and let's start by pressing F12. I will also type it here again. You need to press this key to toggle this layout. And if you don't see the console like I am seeing it right now, maybe you are on a different tab and you need to maybe press these 2 arrows. And if there's not console, it must be somewhere over here. There should be somewhere console with a C if you have it in English probably. If you are at this point, you need to click next to this icon. Basically this icon. And if you see a text pointer over here, you know you are in the correct position. Then, if you see the text pointer, just hit Command V to paste in the code to load in the mod. Then you need to just hit Enter and the mod should show and you can close this window. Then you can drag it anywhere you want. And let's start with the achievements. Like you can see, I've already unlocked all of them with the hack. With a really legit date, I can show you how you can unlock all of them. The best thing is to go out of this menu and then you go into the mod menu. It's the second tab and there you have a date picker. So you can type in like any date. Let's say this date, just for fun. Then you hit unlock all. It will show you. You quickly saw the save icon, so the game saved. And you can see the date shows as 4444. So this is how you can unlock. I will later add a more detailed, a new button probably over here. So you can see all achievements and can edit all of them separate and then just, for example, save it. But I don't know when I have time to implement it. So we will see, but this is my current proof of concept. The last thing I wanted to show you is, let's go into my game save. Let's get this done. So, and now we can use the roll hack. You just click here in the roll tab, in the gamble tab, and you see you have a lot of options. So we can start with the luck. Let's set it to 0. You sadly won't see any changes here like the text is showing because I had no time to and found no quick solution to update this text. I know how it's done, but it's not as simple. So I will do it maybe later, but not for now. let's increase this again. This was just to show. And if you want to set it to max, you can just put any number in until it automatically jumps to the maximum possible number. This is to prevent the game from crashing. If you set it to a higher number, it would crash or not save the game save. So it's really important to respect these values. The same for money. You can't put it any higher than this. You can make it smaller. I don't know, I need to check why you can't currently delete anything with the backspace. Yeah, I had no time to check why, but you can always just copy all of it and then type something new and it will override it. So if you want to set it to 1, you can do it. This one does actually update. So the roll count is actually a hidden value. I don't know if it will. No, it will not update the roll cost yet. But just let it checked so everything is unlocked. And if you roll with this button, you don't spend any money anyway. So you can also, if you want to maximize your money for later, you can always put this. Maybe this gets your account flagged, so I don't know. So if you want to be sure and you don't want your account to be get flagged, you shouldn't use the tool at all. But someone in the comments said that if you set the money too high, it will unlock achievements and this could get your accounts flagged. So you are warned. But for example, let's set this to 999. And if we let it checked, it will reset the money on every roll to this. You will see soon. Like I explained, item tier is also self-explaining. I will show later. And log shop, I can disable it. The first time I need to fix it, it won't show that the shop is locked. But if you toggle it this way, you see it will also reflect here. If you don't have the item, it's no problem. It will still lock the shop, but it won't show anything. Let's start with... so if we set it here, it will set it to... Then we add a 9 and we hit roll. And you already see now it will set the roll cost to the maximum amount because I set the roll count to the maximum amount. You can ignore this because you can still roll with this button. It's just to unlock the shop and ensure every item is in the shop. I will show the image of the one who found the bug. If you find any bug, please let me know in the comment. I will give you a bug credit in the source code and give you a shout out in the next video. Let's continue with the next feature. You could, for example, unlock the shop, and if you unlock the shop, it doesn't matter what you select here because it will reset it because it's not locked, so the tier won't be saved. But you see, if you set the roll count to a really high value, it will roll pretty likely, especially with high luck. You get pretty good items. But if you lock the shop, you instantly get only master items. I can show it a little bit. I also implemented a delay. It should be 1.25 seconds. You can't spam the button anymore. It would break the game, so I added a delay so you can't accidentally break the game. I will show the name of who posted a comment about this problem. Thank you. That's why I implemented this. This should not happen anymore. So you see in master tier all items are shown. In Rouge tier, finally all items are shown as well, not only egg vouchers. It was because I set the roll count to a negative value to set the reroll cost to 0, but this also locked the shops to only show egg vouchers for certain tiers. So this way you really unlock every item. Like you can see, you can just roll and select any item. You can also add 9 more, and every time you roll, your gold stays at this. It's basically the same thing like set it. If we set the luck to, for example, yeah, I need to rework this. For example, to -11, you will see the luck is D. If you set it to, let me show, it's a bit annoying, I need to fix this, but I'm too tired to do it. I fixed all the other stuff, so if we do it like this, you will see it's a B-. The last thing I wanted to show you is this. So if you want to go to the source code of the project, you also can click this link and you will go to this. The link is also in the description. Then there you have my Twitch account, so you can quickly see if I'm live. Here, like you can see, I was also working live on code. So if you want to see me working live, if you want me to see working live on this project, you can, if you're lucky, maybe see me on Twitch. And also ask me for features or bugs. And the last thing, if you don't know anything, you can always use this button to go back to my video tutorial. This will later be this current video.